So just now we have concluded one parameter, that if active business is outside India for any foreign company, obviously we are not talking about Indian companies, we are talking about foreign companies, and if majority of board of directors meeting has happened outside India during the previous year, we will say this particular company is having POEM outside India. The company is having POEM outside India and it won't be taxable in India on its global income. So active business test required 4 parameters. Passive income should not be more than 50% of total income. Their total number of asset or total amount of assets in India, total assets in India should be less than 50% of assets. The total employees in India should be less than 50% of total employees of the organization, and payroll cost should be less than 50% of the total payroll cost of the organization. If you satisfied all the condition, then we say yes, active business is located outside India. Otherwise, then active business test fails. Then we have to follow this criteria of 2 steps. Who and where criteria. Company other than those fulfilling the test of active business outside India. Here we have to check. We have to check in stage 1. Identification and asserting the key person who actually makes the key management and commercial decision for the conduct of the company's business as a whole. And second stage, the determine the place where such decisions are in fact being made. So who and where. If that who and where is located in India, then obviously POEM is located in India. If the person who takes all major decisions is located outside India, then POEM is outside India. This is for foreign company who doesn't satisfy the test of active business outside India or any of the condition of ABOI test. The place where decisions are taken would be more important place. So place where decisions are taken is more important, not the place of implementation. See, place of decision will be a one place. Implementation may happen in 5 different countries. Are you getting this? So do not look at the implementation. No. Implementation is not important. Decision making place is important. Look at the brain. Do not look at the other body of the organization. Brain of the organization we have to target. So the place where the decisions are taken would be more important than place where such decisions are implemented. For the purpose of determining POEM, it is the substance would be conclusive rather than the form. So don't look at the legal form, look at the substance. In reality, who is taking the decision? Don't check the paper, check the reality, check the operation, check the daily routine of the organization. So obviously it is very much situational. Government has to put a lot of efforts in identifying the POEM in India. These are the certain situations CBDT have clarified, need not to be by-hearted, need not to be read, need not to be understood. Just for your reference, I have kept it here, that some of the example where decision makers, the location of decision maker determine the POEM when active business test is not fulfilled. Okay. Where BOD exercise the authority and key commercial decision. So this is the who. Okay. BOD is the person who are taking the full decisions. So where key decisions are taken. So wherever they have taken the decision, they will sign the board resolution. In board resolution, there will be a place. If that place is in India, management is located in India. Power are delegated by the board to the senior management. Then who is the person who is responsible here? A senior management. Then place where the senior management has taken the decision. Okay. So this is the where. Power are delegated by board to executive committee. Now, who is the person that you will look into? Board of directors? No. Where the location of executive committee is. So, location of executive committee will make and where they have made the decision, that is the place which will define the POEM. In case of circular resolutions or round robin voting. So, a lot of voting has happened. Circular has been passed from one location to another location. Location of the person who has the authority to take the decision. Though the decision was taken by involving multiple branches, multiple location, who is the authority who has taken the final call on it, that particular location will be the location of the POEM. Decisions are made by the shareholder. See, shareholder doesn't influence the decision of the management. Shareholders are not the management. Shareholders are the owner of the organization. Once in a year, they come to organization, they may come to organization to participate in annual general meeting, to have a tea, snacks, samosa and all, laddus and all. They will celebrate and they will go home. They don't execute the decision making, and therefore please never check the decision are decision taken by the shareholders are not relevant for determining the poem. It is the decision of the management, not the shareholder. Senior person located in a principal place of business, such principal place of business. So if you are having a principal place of business, like you are having a head office and branch office, then obviously we have to check the head office where the senior managements are sitting. Decentralized company, multiple locations. So what will you do then? Locations where senior managers are primarily based. Okay, that will be your place where the decision is taken. Senior management may operate from different location and participate in various meetings via telephone and video conferencing. Now what will you do? COVID situation. All the directors are in their own country, their own house. Nobody is coming together and signing the resolution. So what we will do, sir? The location where highest level of management, MD, CEO, CFO. Okay. For example, managing director or finance director and their direct support staff are located. If they are located in India, poem in India. If they are located outside India, poem is outside India. Scenarios where poem cannot be said to be in India merely because. So this is also important. Okay, mark it important. These are the situations which may be asked in multiple choice question. Okay, one of the following is the situation where poem will not fall in India. What is the situation? Foreign company is a wholly owned company by Indian organization. We will not say just because your holding company is in India, subsidiary company doesn't become an Indian resident. Every company is a separate company. Foreign company has permanent establishment in India. Just because foreign company is having branch in India, warehouse in India, factory in India, that doesn't make the company resident in India. A resident is something more serious than the permanent establishment. One or some of the directors are foreign company resides in India. Don't consider that also, that okay, Sundar Pichai, a CEO or directors of the Google is located in India or he is residing in India. Imagine, right now he is not in India, but imagine he is in India and just because of that whole Google organization becomes a resident company. No, it's not like that. It's not based on that. Okay. Local management in India pertains to the Indian activities of the foreign company. So foreign company is having decentralized management system. Local decisions will be taken by the local management. They will not give the strategic decisions in their hand. Obviously, only day-to-day routine operations are there in India. That doesn't make a foreign company having poem in India. There exists in India a support function which are preparatory and auxiliary in nature. They are not substantial activity. They are just a basic activity that they are doing. It is also called as LISA office. If LISA office is there in India, that doesn't make poem of the company falls in India, and therefore we should not call that particular company, foreign company, as a resident company in India. So these are the situation where poem is not in India. Okay, thank you.